Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Show Me Your Plant. So, what do we have in store for you this time? Well, we are going to have a closer look at Timișoara, which is not only a beautiful city that lies in the west of Romania, no, it also houses one of the most important belt production plants ContiTech has to offer. Up to 21 million belts for passenger cars, industrial machines, and commercial vehicles are produced here every single year. And just imagine how huge the production area is. 21,700 square meters. Now that clearly provides enough space for a number of different production lines. Those are exactly what we'll be focusing on in just a moment. First of all, let's begin by asking, what is so special about the belts produced here in Timișoara?
In Timișoara, we manufacture distribution belts, transmission belts, and ribbed belts used in various applications, including the automotive, industrial, and agricultural sectors. What is special about these belts is the materials used, the rubber, specially designed to withstand various mechanical changes, as well as their long lifetime.
So, how are these belts made, you ask? Well, the plant in Timișoara uses two different processes, the ground and the molded process. Let's start out with the molded process first. After all, the plant does house the most important molded production at ContiTech, with more than 17 million belts produced this way per year.
The first step in the molded process is the confection stage, where we transform the rubber sheet rolls into rubber sleeves of various diameters. Next comes the applicator step, where the textile material is applied to the rubber sleeve. This is followed by the vulcanization process, which is a thermal process where, under the influence of temperature and pressure, a definitive and homogeneous bond is formed between the layers of rubber sheets, cord, and textile.
Quality plays a pivotal role in the production process. Here comes our expert to tell us more about the testing processes.
In the final cell, we cut the belts into individual products, measure them for dimensional validation, and carry out visual inspections carried out by specially trained operators. In the laboratory, we test both raw materials such as rubber sheets and finished products such as belts. These tests include volcametry for raw materials and for finished products, breaking and elongation tests, as well as profile measurements. Through these rigorous processes, we maintain our commitment to customers and consistently deliver products that fully meet their requirements and expectations.
So, we have now seen the molded process from start to finish, but let's not forget there is a second important belt production process used at this plant, the ground process. Over 1.5 million belts are produced this way per year, that is. Reason enough to take a closer look at this state-of-the-art production line, which uses grinding machines.
This line is unique within ContiTech, being the only production line for grinding belts dedicated to the truck industry. This is the first process step on the production line, the confection process, where we transform large rubber sheets into rubber tubes of various dimensions. During vulcanization, the product becomes more durable, elastic, and resistant, with steam being used in this process. After the stripping process, the rubber sleeve is placed on the cutting machine, where it is cut into various widths, according to customer specifications. During the grinding process, we use diamond wheels in 2 stages, giving the belt its final product profile.
So, there you have it. 2 different methods, 1 outcome, the production of high-quality belts, ContiTech Thermopol Romania's speciality. This plant also continuously improves its production with investments in new technology. So as you can see, this is not only a great place to work, but also one of the most important belt productions within ContiTech. And with that, our little visit in Timișoara comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed this exclusive peek into production just as much as I did. Thanks for watching, everyone, and all the best until we meet again. Bye!